Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. Going to do a video today on a little bit of a different technique. What the technique involves is to take these stainless steel tumblers and get kind of that burnt case hardened look. And this is just an easy way to do it. It's really time consuming, but it's really an effective technique. So one quick thing, if you notice the bottom on this tumbler has popped, this is what happens when you use this technique and you do too much. It builds up pressure and heat in here and it pops the seal. So you've just got to be really careful with that. And that's why this is a time-consuming technique, because you have to literally do, silver dollar size patches, let it cool down, do another patch, let it cool down. So it'll take a couple of hours to do a 20-ounce tumbler. So what I do is I take a propane torch, and I've had better luck with propane versus like MAP gas. And what you want to do, just get your flame going and just heat an area up, and what will happen is you'll see it start to change color to like an orange. And then it'll start to spread. So that's about all you want to do at one time to keep from popping that seal. So the project we're actually going to do today is a 30-ounce Yeti tumbler that I'm doing for my sister Teresa. It's going to have all of her kids and grandkids' names on it, and it's just going to be basically a quick project. I'm already spraying the color that I'm going to spray on the cup on another project, so it just made sense to go ahead and knock this out. And now I'm going to just head over to the bench, get it all stenciled out with female stencils, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. So be right back. All right, so we got the cup stenciled and taped off. I'm using female stencils, which is pretty rare for us, mainly because I want to preserve as much of that kind of scorched metal look as I can. So what I've done is laid these on here, taped everything else off, and then those are the only areas that we're going to sand and coat with Cerakote. So it should be pretty cool. I'm going to go pop this in the sandblast cabinet, and I'll be right back.